Hi, this is Leah from Mommyish, and I have a new tutorial on how to use the dotted and dashed sticker actions. These were a request from Tammy, who is a longtime customer, and she's requested many styles, and she wanted this one, and it took me a while to get it how I wanted it to be. Because I was having a hard time between creating a dashed brush and coming up with a different way to get a dashed effect that didn't make, you know how sometimes when a dashed line follows a path, it kind of acts a little crazy toward the ends. So kind of found a way around it and ended up finally settling with these actions. So I'm just going to go ahead and go into a new document here. And this is one of my main tester graphics that I use when I create styles and when I do actions like these. So with this one, incredibly important, anytime you are going to use an action, you need to go to new. You're going to create a new document, make sure the background contents are set to transparent. That's fine. And then you can just close it. We just need the program to remember that's what we want it to do whenever we're creating a new document. All right, so here we have my element or cluster of elements, but it's one layer. And I have loaded my brushes. First off, super important, if you don't load your brushes, this is not going to work. So make sure you've loaded your brushes, and then load your actions. And those are here at the bottom. I've been playing around with a lot with actions. All right, so we have first our dashed sticker action and then a dotted sticker action. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit play. It's going to take our element, throw it into a new document, you can see there, and at the very end it's going to give us a little prompt that says the clipped layer can be recolored to change the color of your dashed line. And then when you're done, just merge your layers together. All right, so we're just going to continue. So that means really you could add any color to this as you'd like, or you could even, I'm going to unclip the layer for now. I'm going to add a layer above it. And just as an idea, you could literally go in with a little paintbrush and make sure you selected a different brush because we have like dashed and dotted lines now. So you just want to get a nice solid one. And for example, I could go through like a rainbow of color around it for these, you know, just depending on if you wanted to do something a little different, you could do something like that, or a gradient even. Totally up to you, but yes, you can recolor it. I would just merge those together again, clip it back, merge them together. I was also showing that you can add your own styles to this after the fact. So I could, you know, add a silky style, or these are some fabric styles I had out. We have some crinkly paper styles. I have some glossy sort of crazy styles like that. So really, after you've used the action, you can add any styles that you might have on your computer onto it, even if it was just paper, whatever. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do the dotted one so you can see. So again, I'm just going to go ahead and run that action, and it'll throw it into a new document, and the same thing. So when you're done, you can recolor that dotted line, and that's it. So really a utility type set of actions to create this sort of fun effect. Not always perfect, as any time when you're using a brush and it goes around a path and with spacing. I mean, unless you're an illustrator, you're not, and I don't know how to create actions for Illustrator. You're going to have little spots, for example, like this one. So again, you could always just go through that and, you know, delete and, you know, create a new little dot there if you're super perfectionist, or you might not mind the way it looks. Totally up to you. But again, this layer is totally editable, so yeah, you can do that. But yeah, so that's this set of actions. Really easy. Again, don't forget to create a new document, background contents transparent. Before running these actions, don't forget to load your brushes. But yeah, that's it for this set. Hope you enjoy it and have a great day. Bye bye.